Morning guys and girls, James Morrison, James Social Cycling. I hope you're all well on this lovely Saturday morning. Just a quick one. I'm actually en route to James to a Flab social ride. Just a 21 miler today, and just doing a few miles, putting a few miles in beforehand. So I'm on Roubaix. I don't even know if you can hear me. Got the mobile because GoPro's not working. So I'm on Roubaix. Roubaix's been in. The doctors again knocking. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm in the wrong gear. There's a car back. So wanted to put something by you actually, because this SL4 frame comes with a lifetime warranty, right? Now, without saying too much, I'm winking under my glasses. Surely I had problems with the BB when I first brought it. I then found the Praxis online. I then was lucky enough to find Pedal On had the Praxis. They had it in stock, so I didn't have to worry about buying it from America. They fitted it. I upgraded the group set from the FSA rubbish that they had on it when I bought it to a 105 with the Praxis. Now, as you know, I upgraded to the 7000, and that was when the trouble started. Obviously, they put a new Praxis BB in because it was needed, and obviously the knocking started after that. So very disappointed in many ways. What am I doing? Right, what have I got? 8:51. I've got 25 minutes. Let's go and do a few miles. So yeah, so more trouble again, in and out of the bloody bike shop, whether it's Pedal On, whether it's Simon at Precision. Well, yesterday I took it back to Specialised, well, Pedal Heaven, who I purchased it from. See what they have to say about it. He threw a load of grease in it, resealed it or whatever, and it's probably, to be fair, just a matter of time. But fingers crossed, because I just can't be asked to ride the bike. I can't be bothered to ride the bike when it's noisy. It's just off-putting. It just kills it for me. So would you think that a bottom bracket issue is part of the frame and would be a warranty issue? Because if you go back and look at all of the new Specialised now, they've gone back to threaded. So I am grinding up this hill. They've gone back to threaded bottom brackets. So would you think that my frame should have warranty? I know what'll happen. The guys will offer me a discount on a new frame, maybe, but they'll want this frame back. Now, I don't want to give this frame back, to be fair, not at the moment. Well, morning. Yeah, I don't want to give the frame back. I paid, well, between you and me, 800 quid for the bike. No, I never. You can look up the prices. It's a 2015 Hypergreen model. You know, you buy a frame because you think it's got a lifetime warranty on it. You think it'd be covered. Covered for what? You know, it's not covered for anything, to be honest. the lifetime warranty pretty much means nothing. So reason for taking it to pedal heaven actually was to try and get that ball rolling, but what'll happen, it'll just be painful, I know that much, but we'll see. Fingers crossed it might not knock again, it might not, but we will see. Sounds great at the moment. Sounds great at the moment, but it always takes a bit of time. A few miles, anything to just over 100 to 200 miles. The last time, I think it was about 1,500 miles. So, and then started knocking last week. So anyway, we'll see. So, anyway, no on the road footage today, I'm afraid, due to the fact I've got no GoPro, due to the fact that the screen, the LCD screen, stopped working on it, so I thought I'd best send it back. And yeah, so a little bit more chat. Losing weight. I have lost weight since last week, but not much. Well, I was 109. Was it 109? Yeah, 109.5. So I've lost just over a kilogram by all accounts. I'll put the weighing scale picture in now. That way you can see. Yeah, could do better on the eating side. I've got this hankering at the moment. I am grinding up here, so I am not sleeping very well in this heat, and find myself waking up in the middle of the night eating just because I'm bored of trying to sleep. But anyway, that is what it is. Alright, so apart from that, I still feel good. Did a bit of swimming yesterday. Work's been in the way a bit over the past few weeks, but hankering the mileage. But anyway, we'll get on with that, and I will speak to you in a bit. You see me. You get round this corner. One hand. Oh, bloody roads are bumpy, aren't they? Bloody roads are bumpy. Anyway. Bumpy roads, bumpy roads. Still on Roubaix. Happy to report no noise, but it's always the case. Always the case. I could do, I think the last time I did about 1,000, 1,500 miles, and then it's the noise come back. So if I can get that out of it, then 20 quid every time to get it re-greased up, I could live with. It just means it being off the road for a week, when, to be fair, that shouldn't be the case. Come on, who's with me? It shouldn't be the case. So, as you saw, just done, well, I'm right at 54 miles now, and I'm in the wrong gear for this sloggy uphiller. Let me get some power down. Yeah, nearly home. So, just done 54 miles. So I did just under around 9-10 miles to the start. this morning. Then we did 21.5 miles, and then I decided that I was going to do a few more miles, and it ended up being a reverse Odeon route, which meant I stopped for lunch. Hashtag bacon motivation. Oh, there you go. Downhill all the way now. So, bike's okay for the moment. General consensus is it's not fit for purpose. You would drive your car if it made a noise. Ooh, it's all a bit gravelly down here. I was a bit late on the slowing down. Yeah, and a noisy bike. Nobody likes it. And Specialised, the guys admit, because they've gone back to Reddit on brackets. That was a crap idea in the first place. And nothing. You talk to any of the guys in the Specialised shop or a showroom that sells Specialised, they're saying to me that it happens all the time. So, frame warranty, bike not fit for purpose. Anyway, we'll see. I've got my eye on a couple other bikes, to be fair. But anyway, so what do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you think it should be a warranty issue? I've got to stop. Do you think it should be under warranty? I think it should be under warranty. I think it should. They should be looking. The only thing is that I know that when they do a warranty, they like to have the old frame back, which I'm probably not going to be happy with doing that, to be fair, because I'd like to keep this frame, even if it has caused me no end of pain and money. I still like to keep it. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think down below. Should it be a warranty issue? Bottom bracket creaking, right? It's obviously not fit for riding. Let me know down below. Thanks a lot, everybody. Sorry it's been a bit lackluster this week. Been busy with work and stuff, so yeah, no. So apart from that, everything's going all right. It's a little bit of a funny place because obviously when the bikes aren't working, it means I can't ride the bloody things. So anyway, but thanks again, guys. I appreciate all your love and support. And don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the road very soon.